Hi, my name is Ludas Butkus, and in this episode of AutoHodl, I want to do a review of Sparkster. There's a lot of hype around it, and I decided to do a rating of it, and it's already done in the spreadsheet, so let's begin. So the ICO starts in July 7th, and for the idea, I gave it 4 points. So what is their idea? Well, they want to create an application that allows non-technical people to create their own apps without knowing how to code. How it works is you bring different elements, you build up your design, your fields and set, etc. And then you have different blocks of logic, which is very similar to Scratch, which is a programming language for kids to learn how to code. And then you have all that logic, and you can group that logic into one big blob, so to say, and then you can link these different applications to one another and do bigger stuff. So why did I give it only 4 points? Well, I have a problem with their positioning of their product. Well, firstly, I'm not sure why are they going into the blockchain space. Why not just use regular servers? Next, they are really pushing their 10 million transactions per second, which again is kind of questionable. How are they going to achieve that? Why do they need that? Etc. Next, they are also saying that this is going to be used, that it could even replace the current developers' tools, the programming languages. And yeah, it is a Turing complete language, meaning you could create whatever you want with Sparkster, but I'm not saying it's very convenient to create code like that. Also, you don't have the full control over it, and overall it's not going to be used for creating big projects at companies like Google, IBM, etc. They're not going to use that, and basically no one will. The use case I see for them is non-technical people. They want to create a prototype, and instead of going to hiring a developer to create that prototype, they're going to build it out themselves. I see that as a use case. It's good to create something small, simple, and visualize it yourself very quickly, but it's not going to be used for these big projects. I really doubt it. So because they don't know how to position this, I'm giving them 4 points for the idea. Overall, I like the project. I like their software that they have. They have a really good approach. They are approaching this as a business. They even have their pricing for small teams, enterprise. They really thought this through as a business, but as their marketing and positioning, it's really, really bad. Next, the team. The team looks pretty good. They have experience in some big companies. They don't have too many advisors, but overall, you can see all the companies that they have worked in. So overall, I gave them 7 points for the team. The community, they have 60,000 people in their Telegram, so it's massive, so 10 points. The tokenomics, let's quickly go through that. The tokenomics, the max bonus is only 30%, not too bad. They're raising 30 million, which is very high in my opinion. The ICO price 15 cents, number of tokens 290,000, and they are selling 67% of the tokens, which is just the right amount. So I gave them 8 points for the tokenomics. As a bonus, I only gave them 4 points. One is for misleading promotion, -1. So yeah, and that leads to 73.33%. So yeah, For me, this to be a good ICO, firstly, there should be a use for that token. It would be perfect if the token was a security token and they would be like giving out dividends to people holding that token. But it is a utility token. So even if that business goes good, even if they make a lot of sales and bring a lot of businesses to use it, the token probably is not going to be influenced at all. So they should get rid of that. Yeah, this is a blockchain. Yeah, of all that mumbo jumbo. Just make a good product, do your positioning properly, and it should be very, very good then. But it's not, they are not doing that. They want to get in on this ICO hype to bring in the money. And yeah, so this is my opinion about this ICO. You might disagree with me, but I think it's not a good ICO. And the token does not have a lot of utility or anything. So yeah, this is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or disagreements, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.